Hello everyone, this is the new host. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring a new AI tool and I just can't wait to introduce you to DeepSeek, an emerging platform that's turning heads in the AI community. We'll walk through how to use it and its standout features, and then put it head to head with the tool you probably already know, ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are in the front page of DeepSeek. So you have to type deepseek.com and then you have access to the home page. So then you can sign up. So you can sign up with your phone number or email address. Personally going to log in with Google. Now we are in the front page of DeepSeek. So you can see if you click on my profile in settings, you have general or profile, you can see that there is no credit card. You just can't enter data of a credit card, which means it's completely free. You have DeepSeek R1, so that's advanced reasoning, and you have here, so you can make search on internet, and here you can also upload an image, a graph, or even a file. You can just upload it exactly in ChatGPT. Okay, now we are going to test the first prompt. We are going to say how many ping pong balls can fit inside an A320. We are going to ask the same prompt in both, so in DeepSeek and in ChatGPT. In my case, I have the ChatGPT paid version. So here we are. They are generating. ChatGPT is already done, so he took 16 seconds. DeepSeek is still thinking. You can see that DeepSeek is really describing each step of his process of reasoning. ChatGPT does it as well, but I feel that DeepSeek is way more detailed. Okay, so DeepSeek finished as well, so it took 95 seconds. That's not that bad, but we can see there is a big difference between the time of the answer between DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Let's try to compare the answers. Okay, it seems they're pretty accurate, both. They kind of saying the same thing. So you can see that I activated DeepSeek R1 and I also activated at the same time the search on internet. It's a Chinese AI. I wanted to test if it was pretty objective or if it was controlled. We can see the answers. Yeah, it's actually pretty objective. We have a lot of information, so I think on this part it's okay. It's great. Now I want to test with DeepSeek the code. I wrote create an app that generates a simulation of particles confined in a box based on different parameters. We are going to activate again the DeepSeek reasoning, so you have to click on it. And we are going to generating, and I want to see if DeepSeek is able to execute code. Meanwhile, it's generating. I wanted guys to talk to you about my newsletter. So I have a weekly newsletter where I talk about AI and more deeply information. I will post it every Friday, so you can just click on the link in the description, write your email, subscribe. It's free and you will get more insight on AI news and information. So we can see now DeepSeek is done. He took 100 seconds. So now let's see. So this is a good thing with DeepSeek. You can run the HTML in DeepSeek. It's written run HTML. So let's see if it worked. Okay. Well, you can see it's great. Now we're going to try to change parameters, so particles. Maybe let's change the gravity. We could change a bit the speed. I would like to change the color. If DeepSeek is efficient with changing the color, we are going to click on reset. It's actually pretty fun, but yeah, it works. Alright, so now let's try another prompt. I really want to test another code application, so I'm gonna write generate an application that suggests aesthetic color palettes to easily choose a theme when creating a website. So we see that for that one, he went really fast. It's only 8 seconds. That was extremely fast for that one. Let's see. So you can see that you have all the color, you have all the hashtags with the reference of the colors, you have different parameters. So let's try to change the color again to see if it works. Let's put blue again. Okay, and you even see he actually give you a preview of website title. Let's try now yellow to change it and to see the options with the parameters on the top. And he gives you all the references, so if you want to use it. Now let's do the last prompt for the code. I really want to see now if DeepSeek is able to create like instruments. So we are going to generate a piano application that can be used with the mouse. The black and white keys must work. I don't know if it will actually work with a simple prompt because my prompt is a bit simple. So maybe we will have to change it if it doesn't give us the result we are expecting. Alright, he's done. So now let's click again on Run HTML. Yeah, so we can see that there's a small mistake. I don't know if we could call that a mistake, but maybe there were not enough space. Maybe that was the problem. Maybe not enough space. But yeah, actually the sound is pretty accurate. The last feature I will show you in this video is the graph image analysis. So here we are doing again a comparison with ChatGPT. We send the graph in both and we write explain me this graph. They are starting to generate and ChatGPT is done already again. It seems ChatGPT is way better in terms of time of analyzing quickly. DeepSeek is done and the answers are very similar. And there you have it, an overview of how DeepSeek works, plus a quick comparison with ChatGPT. Both tools have their strengths, so ChatGPT we can see is more powerful and probably more efficient with graphs and analyzing news, while DeepSeek offers a really good code application. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. You can like and leave me a comment on what are your thoughts, and I see you in the next video.